The destructive power of nuclear bombs comes from nuclear fission. Nuclei split while emitting neutrons and thereby release energy. Though it is rare, nuclear fission can occur spontaneously, or it can be generated by neutron bombardment. It was Leo Szilard who suggested that if an atom absorbs one neutron, it will split and release several neutrons, starting a chain reaction. The uranium isotope with an atomic mass of 235 and the plutonium isotope with an atomic mass of 239 are the most suitable for this, as 2 or 3 neutrons are released with each fission event. The precondition for a chain reaction is that the fissile material should enter a supercritical state. That is, its mass and density should be greater than a minimum value. Neutrons released by spontaneous fission collide with nuclei and cause them to split. Thereby, further neutrons are released and a chain reaction is started. In uranium bombs, the fissile material is placed in several separate smaller pieces. When these pieces are pushed together by explosives, their combined mass exceeds the critical mass and a detonation occurs. In plutonium bombs, the fissile material is compressed by explosives to start the chain reaction. The Manhattan Project was an American research program for the development of an atomic bomb. The team of physicists was led by Robert Oppenheimer. Nazi Germany also attempted to develop an atomic bomb, but fortunately failed. Oppenheimer and his team achieved their goal in 1945. They built a uranium bomb named Little Boy and a plutonium bomb named Fat Man. On the 26th of July 1945, the Allies sent an ultimatum to Japan, calling for its immediate surrender to end World War II. When Japan rejected the ultimatum, the 2 bombs were deployed. A bomber called the Enola Gay dropped Little Boy on Hiroshima on the 6th of August, and a B-29 bomber called Boxcar dropped Fat Man on Nagasaki on the 9th of August. The 2 attacks caused terrible destruction. Altogether, more than 300,000 civilians died. Even several generations later, children were born with severe congenital disorders due to radiation-induced mutations. The deployment of the nuclear bombs forced Japan to its knees. The instrument of surrender, marking the end of World War II, was signed aboard the battleship